out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you learn? Lift me up higher, above the clouds, won't you learn? And the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall deep within. Don't leave me hanging, just 'cause.
Good evening and welcome to a new video. Today I put up my Dragopalm photo blind to see if I can get a few images and videos of the grey geese. I had to film with my GoPro. It's so small inside this photo blind, it would be quite difficult to use my other camera, so I need to film with my GoPro, and I hope the sound will be okay. This morning I've seen 12 geese just outside our kitchen window, and so I hope that I will get the geese during the night or early morning in front of my photo blind. Right now it's 10 p.m. or so, and so far up over the polar circle where I live, it's not getting really dark anymore at night, so I will probably wait here during the whole night, early morning, and see if I can get the geese on my memory card. I have this water stream coming down from the mountains just 10 meters in front of my blind, and I know that the geese very often comes to the stream to drink water, so I hope they will do it during the night or early morning. So right now it's just a waiting game and see if I get anything.
When the night is high like you and I will be soon, then we won't have nothing on us. No, we'll be howling, jumping up and down, howling, crazy fools, feeling young. In the middle, meet me in the middle. I'm a riddle
they're really, really beautiful. I really like the patterns in their feathers. When you really get a nice close-up of these grey geese, even if they are just called grey geese, they are really, really beautiful birds. Now the geese has left. I don't see any geese at all. I heard a lot of other birds, but no geese. So I think I call it a day. I had a wonderful morning with these two geese, and now it's time for me to get some breakfast. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.